Here at Pfaff Porsche, picking up the car. It's down over there. Needed some service, maintenance, so we're gonna grab the car and then we're gonna head over to the open house at Pfaff Reserve. They have a crazy lot. The car was supposed to be picked up yesterday, so I guess wow, look at that GT4, looking nice. But they probably were full of parking, so they parked us over here. Whoa, look at those accents. Matte red and matte blue. Another 911. And then here's ours. Porsche, we're just waiting on the key. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when we get the key and then we'll go. But for right now, we can go looking around the dealership. I know they have some sick cars back there, but man, that GT4 looks really nice. Got one more GT4. Huge lot. They got a Tesla there. Matte black Taycan. Let's go looking around the sides. I'll just head over there and then, yeah. Here we have all the sick cars. Yellow, blue, white, gray, black. Those are just SUVs. It's black 911 turbo. Let's see if it's an S. Nope, just a turbo. Man, this color. G718 Spider. It's looking sick. Got one more. And then we got a GT4. GT4. Man, that's a GT2 RS. Oh, green. Sick GT3. Man, this car's sick. Those rims. Turbo S, GT3. Man, the 992 GT3 be looking crazy. I think there's someone else in Toronto that owns one like this with the stripe. We got GT3 RS. I'm gonna head inside and do some recording. GT3, one more GT2 RS. Let's see what they got inside. Another 911. Someone's probably picking this up. Actually, no plates. So. But I want some honest reviews in the comments here. What do you guys think of this spec? The white, I feel like it's too normal. It's not as eye-attracting as, like, say, ours red. So, personally, not me. 4S, so 4-wheel drive. From far, it looks nice. But I think the rims doesn't look good with this color, personally. Need some better rims. So inside, you have a Carrera T, Taycan, Carrera, GT4. I think the one thing that looks nice, and the view is amazing. All the Porsches. So this minty green. 992 GT3. We got Turbo S. This reminds me of GTR G2s. His is a different color. Another turbo. The sun, that car looks so good. Camera isn't doing any mercy. That's pretty much all. Okay, let's head to the meet. And we're finally here at the Pfaff Reserve. Got in at the front. Got lucky. Some really cool cars to go through. The Maybach. Here at the meet, parked the car, looking amazing, looking beautiful, and let's start going through the cars. We got the Porsches there, a bunch of Porsches. Man, this is a Pfaff Reserve, but it feels like it's Pfaff Porsche. We got 3 Porsches, got an Aston, another Aston, finally a Taycan. Not really a big fan, but it is. We got some sick Lambos, Porsche rolling in. This color. Baby blue. That lip looks nice. So it's a Turbo S. Love that black PPF, how he colored it. Our Porsche does not have colored PPF. Has the PPF there, but not colored. GT4. Got some nice cars. M4. Man, this is a sick M4. M4 CSL. Oh, nice. The carbon. It's very dirty. Right beside ours. Carbon fiber. It's a nice GT3. Turbo S. M4 CSL. Another GT4. Got it rolling. That's the Liberty Walk Aventador from our Saturn Drive group. Those of you who remember from when we met Shmi 150, this car was there. Got the Urus, Ferrari, M4, Mercedes. We got the Stingray. So many Porsches. GTR. Another Porsche there. Ferraris. All the classics. This color. Wow. That color's popping. I'm pretty sure it's Miami blue. GT3 RS. Wow. We got two SLR McLarens here. Man, this AMG. This thing looks amazing. We got matte blue. V8. Sick.
I see you, money.
Porsches.
Appreciate you. On that
Not
check-in.
Miami without Porsches.
Watch the flip.
Really sick cars. Got an NSX. What else? One more. Oh, I see an SF90. That's a sick car. It's like a golden kind of color. Got a Ferrari 488 GTB. Lamborghini Aventador. Mustang. That's Chen's GT4 RS. Really sick car. This is from our group. We did end up missing the cruise because we had to go pick up the car. Sick car. Sick blue color. Another 911. And then we got the Lambo. And then sick, amazing Porsche. That looks like a GT3 Touring from here. Let's go inside. There's an SVJ pulling in. So loud. We're gonna get you close to the front over there. All the booze, we need more. Yeah, SPJ is boiling. I felt like the glass was gonna break. Okay, that was amazing. No, let's go inside. Man, I'm sweating from that SPJ. Let's see what else I got. Porsches. Have to be Porsches. Sick. Pretty sure there's a Tech Art Porsche. I'm not sure if this is the Tech Art one, but those rims look sick. No, it's not. More Porsches. Countach, wingless. Pretty sure this is high toe GTs. Wow, this is just amazing. This color for the RS6 is amazing, just beautiful. Perfect daily. And one more GTR AMG pulling up. Wow. Let's go see. This guy's amazing. This is a beautiful spec. Check out that spoiler. It's amazing. It's actually from here. It's beautiful. Man, those two look good together. The Liberty Walk Aventador. That thing's a flamethrower. Yeah, let's take a look at this video of the flames. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money. This Lambo's just amazing. The orange accents with the orange Lambo. These are some sick rims. Huge spoiler. Looks amazing. And then we got this orange Evo. It's amazing. Matte black Porsche. Never seen one of these before with the matte black PPF GT3 carbon fiber spoiler. Turbo S, man, the Turbo S's just look amazing. Now let's head into the main area, showroom, basically. Lots of people here. I'll skip until I get in. So everyone was in line for the coffee line. This is the real BBs. This Porsche just caught my eyes. It's called blue with white rims. I actually found a really nice set of white rims the other day. I was thinking about it. It would look nice on the Porsche, but I'm not sure. I'll get you guys' opinions down in the comments. Wow. I mean, it goes nice with those whites, but you got the red accents. One more GT4 RS rolling in. They had the one there, Chen's. Got white with red rims. So, Turbo is leaving. Man, this GT4 RS. I'm gonna be beside the GT4. That GT4 looks nice too. Let's watch the Turo sleeve. Hopefully it does something. Amazing. Oh, there's another. Oh, that looks like a GT3. I was gonna drive it slow. Oh man, got excited for this. Well, let's see this. It's GT3 Touring. Sounds decent. Walking over to Pfaff McLaren and I see this Huracan Technica. Carbon fiber hood. Wow, this is a very nice color. Not color match, my bad. Another Huracan. Very nice. Ferrari, McLarens. Wow, so nice. Oh, there's the Matte Black GT3. Let's go. Oh, let's actually head over to the dealership. Wow, I see some 6 cars. F1, I'm pretty sure, not 100%. Nobody quote me. A bunch of more McLarens. McLaren heaven. That might be a 720S. It's actually from our group, the purple one. Sick cars. So I think some of Saturn Drives, our group members are here. That's with us. Motor Addicts, that's with us too. The Elva, it's really loud. 765 LT, McLaren Elva. There's Saturn. Full carbon. Wow. There's Saturn Drive. We got the carbon Senna. That's, I forget his name. It's from our group too, Giovanni. Motor Addict, so he's probably came with them. Actually missed the cruise, so sad. 720S. Look at that color. Some sick cars. Somebody's leaving. Ferrari. Mustang's getting ready to go. Speed bumps. Lambo coming up. Safe Auto. Tower 6. Watch this guy leave. This guy's also from our group. BMW. From A Spade Rally. I just realized this Elva is also full carbon fiber. So we got the Senna 765 LT. I think that's the F1. I'm not sure. Correct me in the comments. This and then the Elva. Beautiful. Look at this car. It's so loud. Aventador.